Hi guys, my name is Tatiana. In this video I'm going to show you what to do if you've got a message that your ChatGPT memory is full. I currently use a free version of ChatGPT, and what I notice is that memory gets full not because you have too many chats and you have many discussions, but because there is a specific place where ChatGPT stores memories about you, basically creating your avatar, and what you need to do is to delete some memories from there. So go to settings in the upper right corner on the desktop version. I will see here a few options, and if I click on personalization, then when the memory is full, I will see here that 100% memory is full. So you can click on manage, and here you will see a list of different memories which ChatGPT stores about you. For privacy reasons, I'm not gonna show mine. It's kind of interesting to see how it stores memories, but anyways, to free that, you just delete them. Either you can click delete all and that will delete all of them, or you can scroll down, read them through, and delete the ones which you don't want to keep here. So for example, I can delete this one, prefer not to have repeated references to HDHD friendly in responses. So if I click forget, it will delete that memory. I already deleted quite a lot of memories from here, and I kept the ones which I think are helpful for the future reference if I ask something in ChatGPT. I'm working on a couple of projects. Even if you clean 5-10 of them, it's already helpful and you can use ChatGPT again. Put a like to this video, subscribe, comment, and I'll talk to you in another video. Stay well.